want to address something that can happen in a hot tub if the water, say, goes too long unsanitized. You can get almost like a black mold growing on the bottom side of your cover. You can get it growing on the rim of the hot tub or on the knobs. And the reason why is your hot tub's gone too long without being sanitized. Your chlorine level, your smart coil level, your bromine level, whatever sanitizer it is, has not been in the water long enough for that to actually start happening. So if you have that start happen, you need to address it. You want to spray down with the triple action spray cleaner. And this is going to be something that will help eliminate the mold. Use a nice like a scrub brush. And the scrub brush is going to help break those spores and help kill those spores. And then really when that happens, you clean it all off the best of your ability. And then what you want to do is kind of use a proactive measure now, because once those spores are in there, you want to use something that's more of a preventative, at least for 4 to 6 months. And what you use is this stuff called hot tub serum. And it's a biofilm remover. You put it in there once a week based on the gallons, and it will help keep everything there clean. It'll help keep the surface clean. It'll help with the hot tub cover. And then when you are doing your next drain cleaning refill, whether it's right after you did this or if it's after you've been doing it a while, you want to do a total cleanse. And this basically, you'll put 1 teaspoon per 150 gallons in the water. And you'll let it run for 30 minutes with the jets on high, and then you'll drain the water, and then you'll refill it and go back to normal. This just helps remove any of those spores and biofilm.